Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restart font settings to default on Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to restart font settings to default on Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. First click on Start, click on and tap here Control Panel. Click on Control Panel. After click on Fonts. And here option click on Font Settings. And after click on Restart Default Font Settings. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to restart font settings to default on Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.